In this video, we will show you how to replace your door lock lever on this Chevy Tahoe. You'll have one of these located in each one of your door panels. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. We'll come right over to the door lock area with a small flat blade screwdriver. Carefully get in here and gently pry it out of position. There it is, friends. Alright, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new door lock lever. Have a look from the back side. You can see the hole. You want to make sure it lines up with the door lock rod. Press it in, test its functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.